Gentlemen, welcome to a treat special. And for you YouTube Canadian guys, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. New brakes for the X3. Gonna be a nice, short, simple video. Brakes are really simple to do on these X3s. So we got replacements here. These are just Amazon specials. We're gonna give them a shot because the stock Can-Am ones are $80 a corner in Canadian pesos. So those are the stock Can-Am ones. As you can tell, they're pretty worn. So these guys here, they saw 830K. We're just past the wear marks now. And this guy here even, you can tell a little bit uneven wear. There's a little bit of metal showing on that bottom side. So, I already got one corner done. Wanted to show you guys brake pads. Second corner, gonna need a little bit of heat. Torque's in there is a little, well, it's in there pretty good. So don't be afraid of adding a little bit of heat. Sometimes it's easier to add a little bit of heat and not strip your bolt and make sure that you actually get it out. So what do you guys need to change your brakes? Really simple. 19 mil. I don't know, sorry, that's 15. 19 mils in the impact right over there. T30 Torques. And a 15 mil to get the actual brake rotor off. Those cutters just help you pull the bolts out, and the flat screwdriver just always comes in handy. So, got the tire off, jacked up, obviously. Other side's already done. What do we do here? We back off this T30 right yonder. And then this guy on the bottom needs to be backed off as well. Pro tip, do that before you remove the caliper belt bolts. Just helps you out a little bit. 15 mil for those, 19 mil for that, T30 for that. All pretty straightforward. I'm going to add a little bit of heat to her, get her off, and we'll pull the brakes out and show you how simple it is to actually get them in. All right. Whoop. So guys, you kind of saw how easy that is once you add a little bit of heat to her. This was almost stripping prior to adding the heat. A little bit of penetrating oil, a little bit of heat on her. Makes your life a lot easier. So these are the bolts that actually hold the brakes in. They need to be backed out, like I said, T30s. Back those guys out. I normally find that it's easiest just to grab a pair of pliers here and just kind of pull them out accordingly. I might need two hands for this. Okay, let's show you after I get off. Whoop. Well, gents, this is the The front passenger side brakes, as you can tell, they're right dickered as well. Wear marks right there. It's funny how the front on the back side brake wears out a lot faster. You can see that's the same over yonder here. See that one? A little bit of shiny metal there. So, replacement for that guy. We're trying, like I said, Amazon special. Gonna see how well they hold up. They're half the prices of OEM. And if they last 500-600K, then we're winning, right? Simple, effective. They're just brakes, right? Pretty basic, shiny red. Let's get them on. Gentlemen, these rears are long gone. Look at that. No wear marks here. Just plain and simple metal on metal. We've been running them for a little bit longer than we should have. But, all good now. We got replacements. Let's get them in. Let's take a look at everything here too. How does that look? Oh yeah, this is a caliper that's bent. Or not the caliper, sorry. The rotor that's bent. Caliper. Probably a little worse for wear too. But she still stops, so we're not going to replace her yet. Let's get the new pads on her. Alrighty, gentlemen, you saw how easy it is. Do it at home. Save yourself some money. Pretty simple. And I got one more corner to do here. See, basic tools. 15 mil, 19 mil for the tires, T30 Torx for your brake rotor, your caliper. Get your brake pads out. A little sludgy, but you shouldn't need that. I only need that because I bent my rotor a little bit. Might premature wear the brake pads, but we'll find out later. And a 15 mil ratcheting wrench. So, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, ride, and thanks for watching. I'm going to finish up this corner and get ready for a ride this weekend. Cheers! Whoop.